I'm here at Rex and Tina's kiwi fruit orchard, and this is Earth Twine. This is the product we developed. This is Earth Twine Terra. We developed this specifically because of the contact with soil. What happens in the orchards, and this, as I understand, the majority of the kiwi fruit growers are using this practice. When they cut the vines and prune it, it will all fall on the soil or on the ground, and then they'll mulch it, and then the string had to be removed, the plastic string. So this really saves a lot of time, and it's also environmentally more responsible. As you know, how much twine ends up in the environment and pollutes our waterways into our water tables with microplastics when it breaks down. So Earth Twine Terra is the ideal solution. Once it's on the soil, you can leave it there. Probably it takes around 1 to 2 years for it to break down, and it will break down into CO2 water and then humus, which is soil. So this is environmentally really responsible, and this is why we invest a lot of time to really make a change and a difference to the industry, and replacing plastics with a more sustainable and environmentally friendly option.